A practical idea for comparing exponents is to make them have the same exponent. Now, let's analyze the given condition. So n to the power of 75 can be written as n to the power of 3 times 25. So less than 5 to the power of 100 can be written as 5 to the power of 4 times 25. Less than. Similarly, n plus 1 to the power of 3 times 25. Now, using exponent rule, this condition is equivalent to n cubed to the power of 25 less than 5 to the power of 4 and then to the power of 25 less than n plus 1 cubed and then to the power of 25. Now they have the same exponent 25. And we know an exponential function with base greater than 1 is an increasing function. So an equivalent condition would be the bases have the same relation. So that is n cubed less than 5 to the power of 4 less than n plus 1 cubed. And 5 to the power of 4 equals 25 squared, which is 625. So get n cubed less than 625 less than n plus 1 cubed. Now let's see what integer satisfy this condition. Let's try n equals 8. So 8 cubed equals 8 times 8, which is 64, then times 8. So equals 512. 8 plus 1 cubed, so equals 9 cubed. So we get 9 times 9, 81, times another 9, so it would be 729. So n equals 8. Good. So the final answer, n equals 8. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.